Oh, what a nice day to relax and do nothing. Boss, what do you think we should do? I'm not sure. You decide. Well, I'm gonna turn on my music. Okay. Boss, why ain't this turning on? I don't really know. Boss, did you drain the battery in it again? Well, I may or may not have drained the battery in it. Did you do it or not? I did. God dang it! Why'd you do that for? I don't know, I was gonna put it on the charger earlier, but I forgot. Well, now I gotta charge it. I guess my music time is delayed. Well, I'm glad that speaker's dead. And why would you say that? Because I don't want to hear any of Melissa's music right now. I'm trying to take a nap. Well, just because Melissa turns up her music loud does not mean that you can complain about it. You could just go upstairs and take a nap. Yeah, but I don't feel like it. I know the reason why you don't like to go upstairs and take a nap is because when you wake up from your nap, you'll definitely forget where you're at. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. It's all true, bestie. Whatever. I'm going to take a nap. And I'm taking that speaker too. No, you're not, Angelica. You're not taking anything away. That's just mean. Oh, whatever. She's way too bossy for me. I just don't get it. Yeah, I don't know why she's that way. Well, good thing I have an extra speaker for you. You have an extra speaker? Yeah, I'll go get it. Alright, here you go, Melissa. Hope that makes you feel better. I know it's not as loud as this one, but yeah. Okay then. I'll use that speaker instead then. You're not using that speaker either. It's probably dead as well. It ain't dead. It has some juice in it. You know what, I'll just take both of the speakers away. You better not do that. If you take any of these speakers away, then you fired. I'm taking them. Oh, no. God dang you, Angelica. I'll get you next time. There. Now, no more music. I just want pure silence in here. Oh, god dang it. I'll get them back somehow. I just know it. Angelica, you're being way too bossy to Melissa. Can you at least give the speakers back to her? No, she needs a break. No, she doesn't. You can't just take people's things away. That's just mean. Whatever, I'm going to take a nap. You're definitely not right, Angelica, and I know it. Well, at least I got all of my stuff back from Angelica when she fell asleep. I'm glad I got it back. Well, Teddy, it's just me and you tonight, isn't it? Yeah, I know. Angelica was mean for doing that. But hey, at least I got my stuff back. So, we should go to bed, Teddy. Alright? Alright then. Good night, Teddy. Hopefully I'll have a better day tomorrow. Oh, what a nice sleep. Alright, girls. It's time to get up. Okay. Yeah, we got laundry to do, so... Yeah. Melissa, it's time to get up. You don't have to tell me. I'm already up. I'm still tired, and I'm still upset. Why? What made you upset? Because I woke up this morning, I had my speakers right here, and my teddy bear right there. And then, when I woke up this morning, they were pretty much gone. I don't know what happened to them. I'm very upset right now. Well, how come your stuff just disappeared? I don't know, they just suddenly disappeared when I woke up this morning. My speakers were gone and my teddy was gone. So I pretty much lost everything. Well, let me see if I can find them for you, okay? Alright then. And I just remembered I got towels sitting in Angelica's drum, so I better go fold those. Okay, let's see here. And we got this. Wait a second! Where the... How did these... What the frick? Angelica? What? Can you explain why this and this and this was in your drum? Can you explain to me why? I don't know how they got in there. They must have grown legs and hide inside of my belly. Liar. I'm pretty sure you grabbed them from Melissa last night. How did these get in your drum? I need to know the truth right now. Well, you see, I took them this morning while you and Melissa were still sleeping, and I decided to take them away to teach Melissa not to listen to music anymore and take a break. I woke up at 6 in the morning and took everything away, including her teddy bear. Really, Angelica? Are you kidding me? Angelica, I'm pretty disappointed in you. I can't believe you did that. Whatever. Angelica, you're grounded. Are you serious? You're gonna ground me for no reason? Don't. Yeah, you're grounded. I gotta take all this stuff back to Melissa. So I'll take this, and this, and this. You're grounded. Melissa, I got all your stuff back. Really? Yeah, I got your speaker, this speaker, and your teddy bear back. Where'd you find them? In Angelica's drum. She took them away this morning. She's so fired. Well, not physically fired, but I'm just saying. Okay. Oh, and I need to charge this, so that way you'll have it for when you start doing laundry. Alright then, that's fine with me. Alright then.